Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Axis Bank Gold Loan. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in axisbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website of Axis Bank. Now just click on the login button and log into your account first using either your login ID, your debit card number or your MPIN. After logging into your account, simply scroll over to explore products and then hover over to the loan section. From here you can select the various types of loan available. To access Gold Loan, simply click on Gold Loan and this will then take you into your Gold Loan page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Axis Bank Gold Loan. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.